Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your devices for reset to avoid data loss. Update the iPhone and Apple Watch to the latest software before continuing. Keep both devices close and plugged into power during the process to prevent interruptions. Open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to My Watch, then All Watches, and tap the info icon. Choose Unpair Apple Watch to create a backup and erase the watch automatically. Sign into iCloud when prompted to ensure activation lock removal after reset. If you cannot access the paired iPhone, you can reset directly on the watch. Open Settings on the Apple Watch and choose General, then Reset. Tap Erase all content and settings and enter your watch passcode to confirm erasing. Note that activation lock remains tied to your Apple ID even after erasing the watch. If the watch is frozen and unresponsive, perform a force restart by holding the side button and the digital crown at the same time for 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. After the erase completes, power on the Apple Watch and keep it near your iPhone. Wait for the pairing animation to appear on the watch and follow on-screen instructions on your iPhone. When prompted, choose Restore from Backup to recover settings and data, or choose Setup as New to start fresh. Sign in with the same Apple ID used previously to remove activation lock and re-enable Apple Pay and other services. Reinstall apps and reconfigure settings as needed to complete setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.